Hi guys, it's Moz here, and I was sent to Han's website today. I was given a link explaining that apparently they've leaked the 2023 releases from Revell. So quickly looking on the website, this is an overview. I'm not going to explain much to it because I only know as much as you do. Some of the kits now, I think there's about 70 kits, 60 kits being announced, but we're going to go through them. Just go the 25 on each page. So we'll go through them. I've had a quick glance. I think there's 5 new toolings. The rest are going to be either reboxes or new parts. But we'll quickly go through them, look at the scale, look at the pricing, of these kits as well. So, for instance, the first one we can see is a 1/24 scale Volkswagen T2 bus. Easy click Technic, they're calling it. That's due in 2023. 1/24 scale. Apparently it's a car kit, future release, and they've got it down at £65.69. There's a 1/72 scale Messerschmitt M109 G6 easy click system, new tool, due in March 2023. No announcements been made on that price. This one here is a steam locomotive. I'm assuming that's just a rebox. That's £29.24 in 1/87 scale. There's a Leopard 2 A6M Plus in 1/35 scale. There's no date on this one. £37.79. 1/35 scale GTK Boxer, £37.79 on that one. A 1/76 scale Krupp Project KFZ 69 with a 3.7 centimeter pack, £8.99. So that's probably a rebox, maybe even Matchbox. An ATF Dingo 1 in 1/72 scale for £21.59. An M1A2 Abrams military vehicle, future release. That one's also £21.59. So 1/72 scale M1A2. A 1/72 scale Panzerhaubitze 2000, I think that's how you say it, £21.59. There's a picture there, as you can see. So I think that's a rebox, obviously. The Unimog 404S, no picture there, so maybe a rebox, new artwork. 1/35 scale, £33.29. And then they've also shown a 1/48 scale ME109 G6 easy click, but that was due in October. No information on that one, but that one's £33.29. The easy click, is it the future of modeling? I don't know. A 1/288th scale Airbus A380 due September 23. That's for £15.29. Boeing 737-800 in 1/288th scale. That's also due August 2023, £15.29 as well. The Dassault Alfjet 3 kits, 1/144 scale. That's to be announced as well, due in August 2023. A 1/48 scale Beechcraft Model 1A. It's an ex-ICM, so it's a rebox of the ICM kit due in April 2023, £33.29. A Dassault Mirage 1/48 scale, 2023 July, £33.29. There's a Dornier DO217J 1/2, also due out in April 2023, to be announced on the price of that one. A 1/144 scale Boeing Lufthansa is also £33.29. Airbus A330-300 in Lufthansa, new livery, due April 2023, £29.24. And a 1/144 scale Airbus A300-600 ST Beluga, due April 2023. So there's quite a few kits coming out in April, it looks like, and they're wanting £33.29. A Ballet 1G Cobra, which is also ex-ICM. That should have been due out last September. Gone. £55.79. Douglas B26B 56 Invader, also ex-ICM. That was due last year, £41.39. So that's not been out yet. 1/48 scale for that one. A 1/144 scale Boeing 757-200 Iron Maiden was also due back in August as well, £35. A 1/72 scale Yak 130 due July 2022, £33.29. But this is the one that got me. Gloucester Meteor, new tool, due October 2023. In 1 to 32 scale, £131.39. Ella. Now, I've seen people, you know, talking on the forums about the price of the Airfix Spitfire at £94.99. You know, they've skinned a turd, you know, moaning about that price. So I wonder what they will think of that kit. 130, 1 to 32 scale Gloucester Meteor at £131.39. Just saying, that's a lot of dough for that kit. The B24D 148 scale should have been released. That was £71 for 148 scale kit there. Bell UH1D Goodbye Huey Bundeswehr German Armed Forces limited editions, £38.24. Forget the airbrush, you know, I think it's just the same one. The Eurocopter 132 scale, £44 for that one, 99p. 1 to 144 scale submarine type 9 C40. That's a new tool as well. So that'd be an easy one for a submarine. As I said, you know, submarines 2 halves, stick them together and just paint it. That one's £21.59. 172 scale Eurofighter Pacific exclusive edition, due out 2023, £89.99. 90 quid for 172. So there must be something in there for that one to be that price. Now there's some gift sets coming for June 2023. Northrop F89 Scorpion 148 scales, 44 quid. Well, 45 quid. 1 to 144 scale ISS 25th anniversary platinum edition. That's due in October. That's £112. Gift set Berlin Airlift 75th anniversary. That's due in May 2023. That's £71.99. Now, the apparently is a new tool as well. The gift set for James Bond, there must be in that. There was 50 years of James Bond, 60 years of James Bond, I guess. The DB5 Goldfinger new tooling due September 2023. That's 50 quid, £50.39. 124 scale mind. The James Bond Eurocopter Tiger 172 scale. That's due in September as well, £29.24. Gift set, Conflict of Nations, exclusive edition, due October 2023. That's 90 quid again, £89.99. There's a gift set, Leopard 1 A1A1-A1A4. That's due in September 2023. That's £44.99. Gift set, the Imperial Shuttle Tiderium Rot J40th. That's film or TV related, so that one's 50 quid, 50.39. That's in that 1 to 108 scale. 1 to 72 scale gift set Y-Wing Fighter 40th again, related, 59 quid. Crumbs. Millennium Falcon, that's a gift set due in June 2023 as well, £71.99. Gift set James Bond BMW Z8 due September 2023. That's £44.99 for that one. 1 to 24 scale. So I should say the scales really, but you see what's on the screen there, what I can see, what you can see. Okay, 124 scale Citroen 2CV, another James Bond, September 2023, £44.99. Wow. 1 to 24 scale gift set James Bond Ford Mustang Mach 1 due in September 2023. Also a new tooling, £37.79 from the Hannants website. There's a 1 to 20, that's 144 scale. That one is it? Sorry, I'm looking back. So I get that was 124 scale Mustang, 44 quid. The gift set James Bond 1 to 144 scale Moonraker Space Shuttle, £37. I would like to build that one, to be fair. You know, Moonraker was one of my, you know, James Bond, Roger Moore, you know, that's one of my favorite James Bonds. You know, you heard the joke, Viagra are bringing out a new brand of Viagra. They've codenamed it 007. It won't make you a super spy, but it will make you Roger Moore. Oh, classic. Right, so 1 to 24 scale gift set, 35 years. The VW Corrado, due June 2023, to be announced on the price of that one. 1 to 24 scale. There's a picture there of them. It looks like you're getting a choice of Jags, or you're getting 2 Jags there. I guess you're getting 2 Jags in this one. 100 years of Jaguar gift set. What are you getting there? It looks like, is that an E-Type and an XE SE? Let me just right click, open link to view that picture. Let's have a look here. XK5S and a Jaguar E-Type, so you're getting them too. So it's 2 kits there, I'm guessing, but it's 62 quid. Put this on back order and save 10% on that one. Just telling you what the prices are on the website now, not what they are going to be in the future. You're looking at 10% off on all these anyway. The 75th anniversary of the US Air Force gift set, which was due back last September, is 55 quid, 10% off. And then we got the N1 to 24 scale N1 Starfighter, the Mandalorian. That's due in April 2023. That's £55.79. And then also the 172 Razor Crest Platinum Edition, due April 2023. That's £131.39 if you buy it off the Hannon's website now. Okay, and finally on the last few, so there's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So 55, 54 kits or news on this one. 1 to 25th scale 71 Ford Mustang Boss, due October. These are should be now really May 2022 for the 1/16 BMW Coca-Cola, £32 for that one. So yeah, just miss them out because they're, you know, the panel van should have been here in May apparently, but they're not being released yet. 1 to 24 scale Corvette C8 Coupe, due October 2023, £32.29. 1 to 1965 Shelby GT350R. It's a 1/24 scale, due April 2023, with future release at £33.29 from the Hannett site. And then Revell are bringing out a 1 to 8 Jaguar E-Type, due April 2023, at £131.39. So there's the prices on the Hannett's website. Add on 10%. You can see on the here that that's what the price, the retail price will be that. So it's 35 quid, it'd be 38, 33 quid, 36. So you know that 10% on them. So there's quite a few bits there. I'm quite surprised on the price of that Meteor though. You know, for 132 scale, £131. That's a lot of money for that one. I'd like to know what the prices of these 148 scale ICM kits were, because that's saying $45.99 now. Were they that price when they were ICM? Interesting. There's some hefty prices here, ladies and gentlemen. So, but there you go. I'll put the link in the description for you to have a look at, and you can decide then what your thoughts are. So then, you know, basically leave in the comments your thoughts on the prices. Anything's taking your fancy there. Let me know if you think that these prices are quite rich. Coming from Revell, just put all your comments below. What's your thoughts on this leak, apparently, of the lineup for Revell in 2023? Let me know in the comments below. Obviously, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video. And any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.